Hello friends! Ready to take a tour of the wonders of planet Earth? On this journey, you will not need any other baggage except for the baggage of knowledge. Take a ride around the world answering our quiz questions. Hurry up, the journey begins. First question. Made the first circumnavigation of the world? Correct answer. Good question. Second question. What continent did Columbus discover for Europeans by crossing the Atlantic Ocean? Correct answer. Put your answers in the comments. Third question. Where is the great traveler Ferdinand Magellan from? Correct answer. Keep playing. Fourth question. The first European to visit China. Correct answer. Put like. Fifth question. Who owns the honor of discovering Australia? Correct answer. Sixth question. Discovered America, but did not know about it. He thought he had reached the shores of India by seeing the Indians. Correct answer. Seventh question. Traveler who in 1871 lived among the local residents of New Guinea and proved that the savages are no different from the white inhabitants of Europe. Correct answer. We continue the quiz. Eighth question. Which ocean got its name from Magellan? Correct answer. It was easy. Ninth question. What travels did Marco Polo talk about in his book of the diversity of the world? Correct answer. Super, continue. 10th question. What did Ferdinand Magellan prove with his journey? Correct answer. Congratulations, friend, you answered all the questions. We hope you learned a lot in our travel quiz. Subscribe to the channel and be the first to travel around the world with our quiz. You won't get bored with us.